Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Mr. Techfox. In this video, I'm going to show you how to archive a chat in WhatsApp. So this helps you clean up your inbox without deleting anything. Let's do it. But if it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open your WhatsApp app. Here you can see that I already have installed the app on my phone. So I'm gonna open it. And then you will see an interface like this. And now look through your chat list and find the conversation you want to archive. So for example, I'm choosing this conversation, just hold it down, and then you will see it gets selected and a few icons appear on the top. And from that icon list, just normally click on this small box icon with a downward arrow. Actually, it's the archive button, just normally click on it. And that's it. The chat disappears from your main screen and goes straight to the archive. And now if you click on this archived folder, you will see that conversation. So that's all about today's video. Now you know how to archive a chat on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.